Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So actually this operation is quite easy. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Tap on advanced, and as you can see right under it we've got reset options, so let's tap. The DRM reset option which we are looking for is at the very top of this list, so simply tap on it and tap on it again. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because it will delete all the licenses, so simply tap on OK, and as you can see the licenses have been deleted successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which means that for sure we just removed them. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, then probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to reset digital rights management in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.